Hello everyone, I'm Ajay from SISYA class. So today we are going to discuss about hand gesture control motor. So as you can see, I'm going to show my full hand and I'm going to show 5 fingers. So whenever I'm showing 5 fingers, my motor will be rotating at top speed. Whenever I'm decreasing my fingers, gradually the motor speed also will be decreased. And when I keep it as 0, that is when I'm not showing any fingers, the motor will be stop rotating. So like this, I'm going to control my motor with the help of gesture. And that gesture will be seen in my laptop camera. So before that, I'm going to explain to you all the components that I'm going to use over here. So here in our project, we are going to use some of the components which are Arduino Uno, motor driver, motor, and 18650 batteries. So I'll explain how these components work one by one. So here the main component is our microcontroller. So with the help of this microcontroller, we are going to control everything in this circuit. So this microcontroller is the brain of the circuit. And we are having motor driver. So with the help of this motor driver, I'm going to control my motor. So as you can see, why I'm having Arduino and motor driver when I only want to control a motor. So see, Arduino will give output as 5 volts, but our motor requires up to 12 volts. So here we are using a motor driver and an Arduino to control the motor. So whenever I'm connecting the external power supply to this motor driver, we are connecting the ground of the motor driver to the ground of the Arduino. And like this, I'm giving 12 volts supply to my motor driver, and that 12 volts is being passed to my motor. So I'll give a small demonstration how this works. So we have a HTML file. In this, we can connect our laptop with our Arduino. So as you can see, we have to give access for our camera, and I'm going to connect my Arduino. So we are having multiple ports, communication ports over here. So to choose which communication port we are using, we can open our device manager and know which communication port we are using. So here my Arduino is connected at COM number 5. I'll click on connect Arduino and connect my Arduino with COM number 5. Now I have connected my Arduino, and as you can see, I'm showing 5 fingers. So my motor is rotating at a high speed. Now I will gradually decrease these fingers and I will show how the speed is decreasing. 4, 3, 2, 0. Again 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So you can see, right, whenever I'm decreasing my fingers, the speed is being decreased, and whenever I have closed my hand, the motor is stop rotating. So like this, we are going to control our motor with the help of gestures. So now I'm going to show you what are the codes we are using to control this whole project. So we have 2 codes, one for Arduino and another for HTML CSS file. So right now I'm going to explain to you the Arduino code, and I'll explain you the HTML code also. So we have connected 3 pins from Arduino Uno to our motor driver. That is pin number 9, 7, 6. Pin number 9 is for controlling the speed of the motor. Pin number 7 and 6 is for direction of the motor. So we have connected ground from Arduino and ground from battery and connected it entirely to motor driver to make the ground common. And from the positive of the battery, I have connected to voltage in to the motor driver. From here, I will have connected 2 terminals to motor. So as you all know, motor doesn't have a positive or negative. So I have connected in this way. So now in my code, I have initialized the speed and the output, which is from IN1, IN2, ENA. So whenever I'm going to show my fingers, on the basis of that, the speed will be increased and decreased in this Arduino code. Now I'm going to show you the HTML code. So here I'm going to open this file to show. So in this HTML file, I have given a code to communicate my Arduino with my camera. I have given access to the camera, and I have also placed our logo and all the properties and background in the file. So as you can see, we have created a local website. So all this we have used with the help of MediaPipe, and I have connected my Arduino in here. So the completed code and website will look like this. So now I'm going to show you the local website. So for the laptop camera access and for the communication between the Arduino and the laptop, I have designed this. So as you can see, we have designed all this with the help of our HTML and JavaScript. So I have mentioned my logo and the connection for Arduino and how many fingers are detected and how it has been collecting the data. So this is how my project works. So with the help of this gesture control robot, we can update this much higher levels. Like we can make a gesture control robot, or in many cars we are also having gesture control. So with the help of this, we can know the basics of gesture control motor. So if you want this Arduino code, you can check the description below the video. Thank you for watching.